Is the Migilife Cooling Ace really the miracle mini air cooler it claims to be, or just another cleverly marketed summer gadget that's more hype than help? With bold promises plastered across ads like instantly lowering temperatures by up to 20 degrees, whisper quiet operation, 3-fan speeds, air purification, and even a rechargeable battery in the upgraded version, it definitely sounds like the ultimate personal cooling device. But we dug deeper to find out if it lives up to the hype, and the results might surprise you. First, let's talk about pricing. There's a huge difference between what it costs wholesale and what you'll pay as a customer, with markups that seem more focused on profit than value. Then there's the marketing, overly aggressive ads, fake countdown timers, only 3 left in stock tactics, and branding that changes from site to site. It's all designed to pressure you into a quick buy before you realize what's really going on. The product reviews? Way too perfect. And most are hosted directly on the seller's site, no trustworthy third-party reviews or real testing data. That's a major red flag. In terms of actual performance, it might work okay as a small desk fan, but don't expect it to cool a room or purify air the way it boldly claims. It's more of a basic gadget dressed up in fancy language. So, is it a scam? Not exactly. But is it worth the inflated price and overblown promises? Probably not. Before you spend your money, make sure you're buying into what it really is, not what the marketing wants you to believe.